Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is an internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend the Wi-Fi. So after that, we can enter the Play Store. And another disclaimer, you will have to add your Google account to the device. We've got the video of how to do it, or you can do it right now in this Google Play section. Basically, without it, you will not be able to follow my steps. You will not be able to download anything from the Play Store. Alright, so after adding the account, simply tap on the circle, which is basically your own account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all apps which are currently installed on the device, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available in order to check which we can download again. Maybe not download again, but download the updates for them. So here we've got the list of apps. Again, we've got 30 of them. And basically all you have to do is to mark the apps you'd like to update. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. However, I will pick maybe 2 or 3, like Google Chrome, Calendar and Maps. After marking, simply tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed, and basically the app will be automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here. You can just turn it off completely and do whatever you want with your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.